Your doctor told you to rest. Your trainer said you need more squats. Your friend swears by glucosamine. And your knees? They still hurt every single morning when you swing your legs out of bed. Here is what nobody told you. The exercise you have been avoiding is the one exercise that could solve everything. Not stretches, not deep squats, not another supplement. One simple movement that takes 30 seconds and requires nothing but a resistance band. It is called terminal knee extension. And by the end of this video, you will understand why ignoring it is keeping you in pain. Let me be clear. This is not another video telling you that knee pain is normal at your age. It is not. What you are is misinformed. The real reason your knees hurt has nothing to do with your age and everything to do with one muscle that has been shutting down for years without you noticing. Stay with me, because we are going to cover 4 critical truths. First, why the muscle everyone ignores is the one controlling your pain. Second, the single movement pattern you lost in your 40s. Third, why every common knee exercise actually made it worse. And fourth, the exact protocol that restores full function in as little as 2 weeks. At the very end, I'm going to show you the one mistake that sabotages this exercise even when you're doing it correctly. When was the last time you fully straightened your knee? Not just standing, I mean really locked it out, extended it completely. If you are like most men over 50, you cannot remember, and that is the problem. Knee pain affects up to 70% of adults aged 65 and older. But the cartilage breakdown is not the primary cause of your daily pain. The primary cause is a muscle that stopped firing years ago. It is called the vastus medialis obliques, the VMO. It is the small teardrop-shaped muscle on the inner part of your thigh just above your knee. Touch it right now. If your knee hurts, I guarantee that muscle feels soft, weak, almost non-existent. That muscle has one job: to lock out the final 15 degrees of knee extension. The TKE exercise specifically strengthens the vastus medialis, and when that muscle is strong, your kneecap tracks perfectly. Your knee feels stable, pain disappears, but when it is weak, everything falls apart. Your kneecap starts grinding, your knee feels unstable on stairs. You wake up stiff, and every doctor tells you the same thing: strengthen your quads. So you do leg extensions, squats, lunges, nothing changes. Why? Because those exercises work the middle 60 degrees of knee motion. They completely miss the final 15 degrees where the VMO actually fires. You have been strengthening the wrong part of the movement for years. Every time you avoid full extension, that VMO gets weaker. And every time it gets weaker, your knee pain gets worse. You enter a vicious cycle. Pain leads to compensation. Compensation leads to weakness. Weakness leads to more pain. This is why rest does not work, why anti-inflammatories only mask the problem, why knee braces feel good but change nothing. You're treating the symptom, not the cause. The cause is simple. You lost terminal knee extension. And once you lose it, everything else breaks down. You did not lose it because you got old. You lost it because you stopped using it. Think about how you move through your day. You sit with knees bent, you stand but never fully straighten your legs. You walk, but your knee never locks out. You climb stairs but push through with your hip instead of finishing with your knee. Your brain is efficient. It shuts off what you do not use. Somewhere in your 40s, your brain decided you did not need full knee extension anymore, so it stopped activating the VMO. The muscle atrophied. Your knee started hurting. Here is the part that makes most men angry. The exercises your doctor recommended made the problem worse. Not because they were bad, but because they reinforced the exact compensation pattern that caused the problem. You were training dysfunction. If you cannot achieve full knee extension, every other exercise you do is just making you better at moving incorrectly. So what is the solution? You have to retrain that final 15 degrees of motion. You have to wake up the VMO. The only way is through terminal knee extension exercises. You anchor a resistance band behind your knee. You start with your knee slightly bent. Then you push your knee forward and straighten it completely. You lock it out. You squeeze that VMO. You hold for 3 seconds. Release and repeat. 30 seconds. 15 reps, 3 sets. Done. Terminal knee extensions are one of the most effective and underrated tools for reducing knee pain, improving quad strength, and restoring proper knee function. This exercise targets the exact range of motion you have been missing. It forces your brain to reactivate the VMO. Most men feel a difference within 3 days. Within 2 weeks, they are moving differently. Within a month, the pain is gone. Here is exactly how to do this correctly. Loop a resistance band around a stable post. Step into the band so it sits behind your knee. Walk forward until there is slight tension. Your knee should be slightly bent, maybe 20 degrees. Do not just straighten your knee. Push your knee forward and lock it out completely. Imagine touching the wall with your kneecap. Push forward. Straighten. Squeeze. Feel that VMO activate. Hold that locked position for 3 full seconds. That hold is where the magic happens. Then slowly return. Control the movement. Repeat 15 times. Rest. Do 2 more sets. If you do not have a band, sit on the floor with legs extended. Put a rolled towel under your knee. Press the back of your knee down into the towel while straightening your leg and squeezing your quad. Same exercise, same benefit. Do this every single day, not 3 times a week, every day. Your brain needs repetition to rewire the pattern. Stay consistent, and you will be shocked at how fast your knee responds. But here's what most men get wrong. They do the exercise, they feel better, then they stop. You did not lose terminal extension in a week. You lost it over years. Make it part of your daily routine. Make it permanent. The moment you stop, that VMO shuts down again. The pain comes back. Now the second truth, why your knee feels unstable. Stronger muscles around the knee can help absorb force, but strength is only half the equation. The other half is proprioception, your body's ability to sense where your joints are in space. TKE exercises challenge neuromuscular coordination, which stimulates mechanoreceptors in the knee joint, improving reflexive stabilization and joint awareness. That lack of confidence is not in your head. Your knee has lost its proprioceptive feedback. Terminal knee extensions restore it. Every time you lock out your knee and hold, you are retraining the mechanoreceptors. You are rebuilding trust in your body. But here is where almost everyone gets this wrong. They think more resistance is better. It is not. Control is better. Start light. Focus on perfect form. Squeeze hard at the top. Hold it. Once you can do 3 sets of 15 with perfect control, then add resistance. Not before. Third truth. Your lifestyle determines your knee health, not your age. If you sit all day, your knees stay bent all day. Your VMO shuts off, your hamstrings tighten. When you stand, your body does not remember how to fully extend your knee. You walk with a slight bend, the compensation gets stronger every day. Terminal knee extensions are not just for people with pain. They are for anyone who wants to keep their knees healthy. Do this exercise now before pain starts, and you will never deal with chronic knee issues. Do it after pain starts, and you will eliminate it faster than you thought possible. But the exercise only works if you also fix the movement patterns causing the problem. You cannot do terminal knee extensions for 5 minutes, then spend 16 hours moving incorrectly. Start locking out your knees when you stand. Finish your steps with full extension when you walk. Stop compensating with your hips on stairs. Make terminal extension automatic again. Fourth truth, it comes down to tension. Not the tension in the band, the tension in your quad. Most men do terminal knee extensions with their leg. Wrong. You have to do them with your muscle. When you lock out your knee, think about pulling your kneecap up toward your hip. Flex your quad as hard as you can. Hold for 3 seconds. Feel the burn in that VMO. If you do not feel it working, you are not doing it right. And here is the detail that changes everything. When you squeeze at the top, rotate your foot slightly outward. That external rotation activates the VMO even more. It is a tiny adjustment, massive difference. Try it right now. Straighten your leg. Now straighten it again, but rotate your foot out slightly as you squeeze your quad. Feel the difference? That inner thigh lights up. That is your VMO. That is what you have been missing. Terminal knee extensions are not just about your knee. They are about your entire kinetic chain. When your VMO is weak, your body compensates. Your hip takes over. Your lower back picks up slack. Your ankle loses stability. When you restore terminal knee extension, everything resets. Your knee locks out. Your VMO fires. Your hip stops overworking. Your back relaxes. Before I give you the final insight, leave a comment below. Tell me how long you have been dealing with knee pain. Tell me what you have tried. Tell me if you're going to start terminal knee extensions today. I rate every comment and want to hear your story. Here is the final insight. Terminal knee extensions work fast, but they do not work forever unless you progress them. Your body adapts. Once they become easy, make them harder. Increase band resistance. Stand on one leg. Add a 5-second hold at full extension. Keep challenging your knee. Keep progressing. The moment you stop progressing, your knee regresses. Your knee pain is not a life sentence. It is a signal that something in your movement pattern is broken. Most men ignore the signal. They pop ibuprofen. They rest. They hope it goes away. It always comes back because they never fixed the root cause. You now know the root cause. You lost terminal knee extension. Your VMO stopped firing. You also know the solution. Terminal knee extensions. Done correctly. Done consistently. Done with intention. This is not complicated. This does not require a gym membership or surgery. This requires a $5 resistance band and 5 minutes a day. That is all that stands between you and pain-free knees. Most men who watch this will not do anything. They will nod along. Tell themselves they will start tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Do not be that guy. Be the guy who takes action today. Be the guy who commits to consistency. Be the guy who fixes his knees. You are not too old. You're not too far gone. You just need to do the work. Grab a resistance band. If you do not have one, roll up a towel. Do one set of terminal knee extensions right now, 15 reps. Focus on squeezing that VMO at the top, then do it again tomorrow. Make it non-negotiable. Make it part of your routine. Do that for 2 weeks and tell me your knee does not feel better. Do it for a month and tell me you're not moving differently. This works, but only if you do it. If you want to dive deeper into pain-free movement and staying strong after 50, subscribe and hit the bell. Next week, I'm breaking down the one hip mobility drill that eliminates lower back pain. Another simple movement most men have never heard of. Until then, get to work on those terminal knee extensions. Your knees will thank you. Now go.